The Honda GB750 is here, blending timeless design with modern performance. This bike stands out as a retro roadster that delivers an ideal balance between style, comfort, and functionality. From its classic round LED headlight to the sculpted fuel tank and clean lines, the GB750 pays homage to Honda's rich history. It's a nod to the classic GB series while embracing contemporary updates that make it practical for today's riders. At the heart of the GB750 is a 755cc parallel twin engine, borrowed from Honda's Transalp lineup. This liquid-cooled engine delivers 92 horsepower and 75 Nm of torque, offering a punchy yet smooth ride, perfect for urban commuting or long-distance cruising. The GB750 provides an engaging ride, with plenty of torque in the midrange and a linear power delivery. The 6-speed gearbox ensures smooth shifts, and Honda's signature reliability gives you peace of mind on every journey. The suspension setup includes a telescopic fork up front and twin shocks at the rear, tuned for comfort and control. The GB750 handles corners with confidence while absorbing bumps effortlessly. For stopping power, you get dual front disc brakes and a single rear disc, paired with ABS for added safety. The minimalist digital display keeps things simple yet functional, showing all the essential information. The seat height of 800 mm is accessible for most riders, and the ergonomics strike a great balance between upright comfort and sporty feel. While the GB750 stays true to its retro roots, Honda has included modern touches like a USB charging port and optional luggage accessories, making it versatile for daily use or weekend adventures. In essence, the Honda GB750 is a retro roadster that ticks all the right boxes. It's stylish, fun to ride, and versatile, making it a strong contender in the midweight category. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer, this bike has something to offer. What are your thoughts on the Honda GB750? Let us know in the comments below, and as always, ride safe and enjoy the journey.